Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name here. When you just click on your name, it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to Nsfw. Here you just click in this sign or this color. So that like you see color, it's gone now. That's me, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable this sign. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for watching.